guys, welcome back. On today's video I'm gonna show you what I've got on the last Cult Beauty starting kit. So if you want to see what is inside, just keep watching. First I want to tell you, if you don't know anything about Cult Beauty, this is a UK online retailer that ships worldwide Cult Beauty starting kit. This is not a subscription. They release those kits, I believe, 2 times per year. I have done another video back in time, I think it was in January. I will link it down below on the description box if you want to see what was that starting kit containing. Then I got the Huda Beauty Topaz eyeshadow palette. So they are known for their value, but the price for the entire kit is a steal. So this box retails for £30, is still available at the time that I'm filming on their website on cultbeauty.co.uk. I will link all the details about this kit down below on the description box. And you can customize the shade of one of the products. It contains usually 5 products. And of course it is delivered in this very beautiful, classy black box. When I open it, I see that I have a leaflet that gives me some information about the product inside and the product. Now, there is a product inside that is it not part of the kit. I just purchased it because, as I told you, the box retails for £30, but they do offer free shipping above £40. So I purchased one product to be qualified for the free shipping. Usually I do that because, like Jessica from Everything Proof channel, I hate to pay for shipping, so I did that. The Cult Beauty Starter Kit, combining throughout our best loved beauty products to curate an edit of holy grail makeup and skincare. The Cult Beauty Starter Kit holds full size and mini edition of the formulas you need to know. From a balancing facial oil to a plumping lip treatment and the ultimate volumizing mascara, this 5-piece kit is bound to kickstart a beauty obsession. So you are aware about the products that are in the box. This is not a mystery kit. And there were a couple of products that attract me to this kit. So this is the reason that I've purchased it. Now, I will show you first the product that I purchased to be qualified for the free shipping. And this is the Zoeva 237 Smoky Shader Brush. This is a vegan brush. And I love their shader brushes. And I have noticed that I'm short on this kind of brushes. So I love their vegan bamboo collection. So this is how it looks like, the actual brush. It's really soft. It's really soft. And I think it will be really good to pack, especially more shimmery shades on your lid. But you can also use it to smudge shadows on your lower lash line. So yeah, yay for that. Love Zoeva brushes, there is no brainer. Okay, the first product that attracts me to this kit is the Benefit Bad Gal. Let me read you the name. Benefit Bag Gal Bang Mascara. Oh my god, this is such a tongue twister. One of the best loved products from one of the biggest names in beauty. This mascara grants extreme volume, length and curl without clumps. Now, you know that I will not open the mascara now because I have 3 or 4 mascaras open, but I'm planning to open it soon because I'm planning some get readies with me, and during those get readies I will open some of the mascara that are on my list to try, so stay tuned for that. And this is a full size product. This retails for £22.50. The prices were not there, but I just made my lessons and I wrote the price here, and this is how the brush looks like, in case that you are curious. It's a rubber bristle brush. And I have tried this product. Let's say I tried when I went on my Sephora last year. There was a benefit event and they did my brows and my makeup. Then I tried this mascara. They have it open and they sanitize it for me and give it to use it on my lashes. I noticed how nice and volumized my lashes were looking after that, and also it helps with lengthening. So I hope I will enjoy this mascara because many people here on YouTube love this mascara, including Elisa Pope. I think she swears by this mascara. Okay, in no particular order, the second product is by Herbivore. This is their Lapis Balancing Facial Oil, and you get here 8 mils. And actually they are selling this product, this quantity, for 8 mils you will pay £22. But if you buy the full size, it retails for £60 and you get 50 mils. So I think for me 22 mils is enough of quantity to decide if I love or I don't love this product. So this is how the packaging looks like. So let's try it. Let's open it and sniff it a bit. I would rather say that it smells fresh, and the consistency is runny. It is a bit greasy, but it does absorb really fast into your skin. So I opened this because being only 8 mils, I believe I can finish it quite fast. The third product that I was really excited about is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 30, and you get here 15 mils. Sitting seamlessly under makeup, this invisible formula delivers unparalleled UV deflection without congesting your skin or leaving a greasy, chalky film. For 15 mils, you can purchase this product from their website and you will pay £15, so £1 per mil. But if you want to go to take the full size, you will pay £30. This is not a natural SPF, but it does contain the new SPF formula. So it's that those ingredients that are more helpful, or how to say, more good for your skin and for the environment. So I like that it's invisible. I think I blend it without showing you how it looks like. And it also contains the autocrylane, but that ingredient I think is 4th or 5th on the list, so it's not the second one, how it is usually on the other SPF products that contain the old chemical formula. I might keep it for the winter or to use it when I'm not going exactly on the sun directly. If I'm staying on home, as I'm usually doing most of the time, I'm not going anywhere. So we have only 2 products to go. The fourth product is by Laura Mercier, and this is their Caviar Stick Eye Color in Rose Gold, Amethyst, Moonlight or Au Natural. So you do get here 1 gram. I haven't found this product to be available for the mini size, but the full size it retails for £25 and it weighs 1.6 gram. So this is more than half of the size of the full size product. So I will say this might retail for £15. Just my estimation. Now I'm not sure if I should swatch it because I was not so inspired to order this shade. Look, I have the Bobbi Brown. I think it's also in the same shade, like this is golden pink, and they are awful similar. So I think I will keep the Laura Mercier for the giveaway, and this is how the Bobbi Brown swatches, and I will not swatch it right now, or I will give it to a friend. Yeah, I should have chosen, actually I think I put the Moonlight, and then I said that maybe it's too dark, and I went to the Rose Gold without realizing that I have similar color. And now I want to show you, because also the Amethyst is one of the choices. So this is the full size that I have. This is Amethyst, and this is how much it is the size of a full size. I will swatch it on the moment, and this is the mini size, so yeah, it seems to me that is more than half of the size of the full size. And the amethyst swatches like this, so it's a beautiful mauvey taupe shade. And they are long lasting, they are setting on your lid after a couple of minutes and they don't budge. This creamy eyeshadow boasts impressive staying power, high impact, color payoff and effortless application. Oh, I managed to say effortless without making a blob. This is something new for me. The fifth product from the box that is also a full size is the Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Lip Bath. I've got it in the shade Peachy Plump and it retails for £25. This was not customizable, so everybody is receiving this shade. As I told you previously, only the Laura Mercier Caviar stick is customizable. So look at the packaging, this is so beautiful. And it's something that I meant to purchase when I've done my previous order on Cult Beauty, but I said that I have enough glosses. And look, the doe foot applicator, it's really interesting. So this is how it swatches. It's sheer. So I have so many products from Charlotte Tilbury that I have almost enough for a full face. Ooh, so it has a bit of a sheen. It's minty. Really pretty. I'm always looking on my viewfinder and instead of looking at you guys. So yeah, I feel the tingly sensation now after a couple of seconds. So it might be plumping, as they claim to do. Enriched with firming marine collagen, this peachy toned conditioning treatment and lip gloss locks in moisture as it imparts a light reflecting sheen. Yeah, so really excited about this product. Actually, those three products, I was so keen to get them. So only these value more than the total price of the box. Actually, I have used my Quidco to redeem some bonus, and I think I got like a £1 cashback or so. And it's good that you get cashback from your purchases, because I think I have over £100 on my PayPal account from using Quidco. Okay guys, so this is all we got on the Cult Beauty starter kit for this time. We've got a Herbivore Lapis Balancing Face Oil, then you got the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, a Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Lip Bath, and the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So kill me, but I cannot say that word from the first attempt. So I think the value is around £80 or even more. I will do the math. Just the price for the mini stick, for the caviar stick, it's not exactly, because I couldn't find how much you can pay for that travel size. I will put the total value here on the screen. Please let me know if you are aware about those starter kits from Cult Beauty. Usually they are not on their homepage. I'm subscribed to their newsletter, and I've got email that the starter kit was released, so that's why I found about it. But if you want to find out more about this, you can subscribe to their newsletter and they will inform you whenever they have good deals. Let me know in your comments down below what do you think about those products. If you have tried some of them or not, if you are planning to try them, and why not, maybe you will buy the starter kit from Cult Beauty. They ship worldwide, so there are some restrictions. I've seen they are not shipping in few countries. I will have linked everything down below on the description box below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up to this video and subscribe if you are not already. And other than that, I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video.
Okay.